Would you have a monkey as a pet, or have a pet chameleon? Always wake up feeling refreshed, but only be able to sleep 4 hours a night, or sleep for 10 hours every night, but constantly hit the snooze button. Would you accidentally sit in a puddle of gum, or like the video? Always find the perfect parking spot, or always have a green light at every traffic stop. Have a personal assistant who remembers everything you need, but constantly judges your choices, or never forget anything you learn, but have a terrible memory for names and faces.